Please turn on your camera. Good morning once again. Ariman, Priya, Yash, Karna, Anushka, turn on your camera. Anushka, you have with two devices, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Ariman, Karna, Yash, and please turn on your camera, everyone. Join your class on time. It is my special request to you all. Gunav, Anya, turn on your camera, please. Dhyan Shelly, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Okay. So, let's start the class. So as you know that we are doing the area and the perimeter, right? What is area? What is perimeter? Vivan Balchandani, turn on your camera and sit in the class.
Ma'am, in which book we are writing now?
Notebook, maths notebook. Okay. So before going to the maths notebook, yesterday I have shared one worksheet with you. Again, I am going because why I am not sent, I want to explain you that worksheet again. And once I am clear that you all understood the worksheet or the concept behind that, then I will send you today in the classroom. Am I clear to you all? I'm going to present my screen and will explain you that worksheet again. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
See, this worksheet I want to explain you that this is a rectangle. Why this is a rectangle? Because this opposite sides are same and there is length and breadth is different. 18 centimeter and the another is 6 centimeter. So you know this is also 18 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter,
Yes.
right? And now here they are filling with the another tile which is 2 centimeter. My dear, here the numbers and digits are small. Now I will stop the presentation. Here the numbers are small, you can easily do it with the square method or whichever method you know, with the length and breadth method. When the numbers are big and the area is big, right? When the area is big, suppose you went to a one big field, you want to find the area. Suppose if you want, this is a floor, this is a big floor, right? And length and breadth of that floor is given to you in the big numbers. Here the numbers are small, but suppose the floor is big. कोई जमीन है, बहुत बड़ी जमीन है, उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ बहुत बड़े बड़े numbers हैं, 220, 560, whatever centimeters में बड़े big numbers हैं. Then if I tell you कि अब इस बड़े बिग फ्लोर में यू वांट टू पुट सम टाइल्स, आपको टाइल्स इसके अंदर पुट करने हैं. So what you have to do first, you have to find out the area of the floor. So write area of the floor. Area of the floor will be, you know, length into breadth because it's a rectangle. So 18 multiplied by 6. Yeah, you want to write, you can write. Please write it in your notebook so that when you open the notebook, you can easily come to know. So what will be the area of the floor here now? Big floor, 18 multiplied by 6 we have done. Length into breadth we have done. Tell me what will be the answer? 18 multiplied by 6. 18 6 is what? No one is learning the table. 108 square centimeter because it's an area and the unit is centimeter. So 108 square centimeter is the area of the floor. Now if I tell you to, you are going to put a 2 centimeter tile in that floor. अगर उस फ्लोर में आपको 2 सेंटीमीटर की टाइल उसमें लगानी है तो कितनी टाइल्स आप उसमें फिट कर पाओगे? So for that you should know the area of a tile also. And the area of a tile is also the length multiplied by breadth. 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4 square centimeter. The area of the floor is 108 square centimeter. Area of the tile is 4 square centimeter. So how many tiles you are going to fit in this? 108. Now you write the third step is number of tiles equals to 108 divided by 4. Tell me. 108 divided by 4. What will be the answer?
27.
27. Yes.
Ma'am, I already told 27 centimeters.
Yes. 24, 7 what? 27 times.
9. I did directly 3
27 what?
108.
tiles.
27 tiles, not 27 centimeter, not 20. This is the number of tiles you have calculated to going to fit in that area. Am I clear to you all? And
Ma'am, which
if they
page
are
number?
asking, it is the worksheet. Yesterday's worksheet we are discussing.
Oh, yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मेल कर दिया है आपको आपने आप रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दीजिए
No problem, ma'am. I will send today.
ओके थैंक यू
Okay, ma'am. She's not fine. Kevna, how are you now?
Ma'am, I'm feeling fine.
Okay. So 27 tiles will fit in this. And with the number of tiles, अगर 27 tiles आपने निकालनी है, उससे अगर आपको निकालना है area, so what will be the reverse? 27 multiplied by 4 will give you 108, the area of the floor. आपने
Ma'am,
जब
directly
27
I multiplied 3 by 7. 3
What
by
3 by?
9. 3 by 9.
where?
For the tiles. 27 tiles.
Huh?
I did 3 by 9. 3 multiplied by 9.
Huh? 3 will be here and 9 will
9
be
will
here.
be here.
Yes. And when you do 3 multiplied by 9, it gives
It is
you
27.
27 tiles or 27 squares. So when you want to find with the tiles with the area, so 27 multiplied by what you will do with the area of that small tile 4 will give you 108 square. इसका रिवर्स जब आपने एरिया खाली ही निकालना है तो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स से आप एरिया निकाल सकते हो. If you have put the tiles 9 in the length and 3 in the breadth, so it will be 27 tiles and 27 tiles will multiply.
Doubt.
Yes, wait a minute, Anushka. 27 tiles will multiply with the area of a 1 square tile, which is 2 into 2 is 4. You will get the area of this.
Multiplied by 4 is 108.
108. Again, it will give you 108. And if I tell you the number of tiles to be filled, how you will calculate? First, you find the area of the big field, and from that field, you have to divide the area of the small tile.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
now my doubt is that if we multiply 18 into 6, the answer will come 108. But ma'am, the 1 square is 4 centimeters. And the one side of it is 2 centimeters. So we have to multiply 108 by 4. Then the area will come.
No. No, 108 is multiplied by 4. How, beta? There are these, this is 1 square. As you know, this is 2 centimeter. So
Yes.
2 centimeter, ke how many you are going to arrange in a length? Because it's a 18 centimeter.
Yes.
9 only, na?
Yes.
So 9 in the length and 3 in the breadth.
Yes.
So it will give you 27 tiles to be arranged in that field.
Yes.
If 27 tiles are being arranged in that, and you know the area of each tile is 4. When you multiply with the 4, will give you 108, the area of the big field.
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
Can I erase the board?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
No,
I'm writing.
Oh, Mama, I'm writing.
Please write fast. So here, if they are asking find the number of tiles, the answer will be 27. If they are asking what will be the area of the floor with the help of the squares, so you will do first 27 multiplied by 4. Clear? Depend on the language of the question what they want. Now everyone take out the page number 148 of your textbook, practice time. 148 of your textbook, practice time.
When you will send this worksheet?
Today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, at today only worksheet.
Today I will send the worksheet. Yesterday I have not sent.
Ma'am, when you send the CET marks also?
Ma'am, can
By today or tomorrow we'll send you.
Ma'am, can I write in the virtual and worksheet? Can I
In
write
the
in the
notebook.
notebook?
No problem. Neatly.
Ma'am, page number?
148. Practice time. Question number 1. Arbaz plans to tile his kitchen floor with the green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 into 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 22 centimeter, 220 centimeter in the length and 180 centimeter wide, means in the breadth. So how many tiles will be needed? It is the same question. Please
Ma'am.
find out and tell me.
Ma'am, then you can erase the board.
24 square centimeter. 24 square centimeter.
No, they are telling how many tiles. Tiles में तो number of tiles आनी चाहिए. कोई centimeter, कोई
It is
square नहीं आएगा.
24 tiles. 24 tiles.
You calculated?
Yes, ma'am. I first you were told to open and everybody were waiting. So
Okay, I will see
Ma'am,
that.
ma'am, which
Even I
page
don't know
number?
the answer, I will calculate.
and
Which
ma'am, I
page
think so
number?
it is in the upper one. I think so it is 5 or 6, and in the fourth one, otherwise it's proper. It is 5 or
Let's see the first. Let's see. Yes, yes. What are you saying?
Ma'am, what's the page number?
148.
Ma'am,
148. Yes, yes, you are not audible to me.
Ma'am, you can erase the board.
Okay. Children, whenever such word problems are coming and where it is required to make the diagram, then you please make the diagram. It will be easy for you to visualize the concept.
ma'am, I made the squares inside the box
Now-
only. It is given.
Okay, let's see. Now they are saying each side of the tile is 10 into 10 and the length and the breadth of that field, kitchen में tiles लगाने हैं. Length is 220 centimeter. Breadth is 180 centimeter. And the tile which is inside it, which is 10 into 10 का square का tile है. Right? If it is 10 into 10, means 10 की एक line है यहाँ पे. So how many are going to be in the lengthwise? 220 divided by 10. 22.
22.
So 22 tiles in the lengthwise and a 180 in the breadth. So how many in the breadth? 18. 18. So 22. Yeah, 22 and 18. So plus them.
Ma'am, 40.
Sorry.
Ma'am, 40.
22 here, 22 in the length and 18 in the breadth.
No, ma'am, how I didn't understood.
No problem, you don't go on this thing. आप इसमें मत जाइए, squares पे मत जाइए. That's the reason I told you when the numbers are big, आप square बनाते बनाते ही थक जाओगे.
Ma'am, because the square.
Concept is area of the floor. What is the area of the floor? It's a rectangle figure, length into breadth. 220 multiplied by 180. Find the answer and tell
Ma'am,
me
but
area
how
of the floor.
we got 220 and 180?
My dear, it's given his kitchen is 220 centimeter and 180 centimeter wide.
Okay. So have to
It's
multiply
given.
and get the
And
answer.
the answer will be 39,600.
49,600.
39,600.
39,000.
And ma'am, the tile should come 24 only.
And the area of a tile is equals to length into breadth.
centimeters.
Sorry.
Side by side.
It's a square, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Side into side.
Ma'am,
Yes.
24
10
times.
into 10, which will be
100.
100. 100 square centimeter. Clear everyone? This much is clear to you all? Just a minute. Can anyone guess an idea what will be the answer now? If this is 3,900, no, 39,600 and this is 100. So now we are going to find the number of tiles. 39,000 number of tiles equals to 39,600 divided by 100. What will be the answer? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
396.
396 tiles. So बच्चा use पता लगा अगर हम squares ही बनाते रह जाएंगे so you will get confused. So this is the method of finding the how many tiles you are going to put it into the floor. Samriddhi, I think you're not understood. You're blank in the class.
No, ma'am, I am understood.
Understood? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am,
First find the area of the floor, find the area of the tile and divide it. Clear? फिर कितना भी बड़ा sum क्यों ना हो, कितनी भी बड़ी digits क्यों ना हो, it will be easy for you to find.
Yes, ma'am, I had the same answer.
Till here, any doubt to any child? Let me take the attendance for a minute. Please, who is this? Mute your mic.
Jahan Agrawal.
My mic is mute.
Do this everyone in your notebooks. Then I will present you another thing. Go to the B sum. Before moving to the B sum, I want to give you few sums for the practice so that you can easily find out the B sum.
Ma'am, B sum is easy. I got the answer also.
Ma'am, it's easy.
What you have to find out in the B sum and what is given to you all?
Yes, ma'am. A thin wire, 20 centimeters long, formed into a rectangle. If the width of the rectangle is 4 centimeters, so what is the length? So width is 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will divide.
That is C sum. We are on B sum.
We are on B sum. So, Anushka, that is C. Can I erase the board, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase the board?
Yes.
Any doubt how to find the number of tiles? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Samriddhi, I'm going to start the new thing. Then you will face the difficulty.
Okay.
Now, write the question number. This is question number 3, right? Write it in your notebooks.
Ma'am, it's 4.
4th, okay. Find the length of the sides of square with the following perimeter. Following perimeters means here the perimeter is given to you and you have to find out the length of each side. Sum number 1, 32. This is the perimeter. When perimeter is given to you and for finding the perimeter of a square, what is the formula? Perimeter, because it's a square figure, it is already given.
Ma'am, 4 into N.
Perimeter of a
length.
Ma'am, 4
Equals to
into
4 into side. Because all the sides are same, so here is, we can say it's a side.
Ma'am, we
four-
are on page 149, right?
No, this is extra sum. First do this, then we come on the
Okay.
page. This is the extra sum I am giving you for the practice. 32 is the perimeter, and this is a square figure. For finding the perimeter, the formula is perimeter of a square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. But what is here? The side is not given. This is the perimeter equals to 32. So whatever is given to you, 32 is the perimeter which is given to you. At the place of perimeter,
Ma'am,
right?
we can make boxes and find it. Perimeter is the outside part. And ma'am, you can do the half of 32. Then also, I think so we can.
No. Now listen, know what I'm doing.
Find 32 by 4.
Yes.
Answer will be 128.
No. It will be
Answer will be
8
8.
only.
8.
It will be 8. So 4 multiplied by s is 4s. Right? So this s, the side will be here, means you are finding the side. Perimeter is given and side is not given. So
Ma'am,
you are finding the side.
128.
Listen, no here. Why don't you look here first?
Ma'am, I know how to do it.
So whatever you have to calculate here, side equals to 32 divided by 4. So whatever the perimeter is given to you, and if you want to find the side, divide it always by 4, because here this 4 is there. Because 4 times side is added, then only the perimeter has come.
4 eggs are 32.
32. The 4 times side add हुआ है, right? The side, whatever the side की length जितनी भी है, वो 4 times add हुई है, तब जाके 32 आया है. So what you have to do, you have to divide the perimeter by 4 always, and you will get the each
Ma'am,
side.
can I say the answer?
Yeah,
Ma'am, the answer
side
is
equals to 8.
8.
8 what? 8 what?
Ma'am, 8 centimeter.
Centimeter. Please write this. Now I am giving you the next sum. Do it by yourself. B. 44 centimeter. Ab iska, what will be the side of this? You can do it verbally also. No need to write such formula. Perimeter always divide by 4. Perimeter of a square will divide by 4, will give you the side. Will give you the measurement of each
Ma'am,
side.
11. Ma'am, 11 centimeter.
11. 44 divided by 4 will be 11 centimeter. Samriddhi, koi problem?
No, ma'am, can I say one my question and answer it?
Yes.
Ma'am, the perimeter is 40
Hmm.
and
The side will be?
the side we will multiply 4 10
Side will be 10.
10 centimeter.
Very good. Kevna, not Kevna, Nishika, can you give me your perimeter and your side? Any perimeter of a square, not the rectangle I'm talking about. Perimeter
Ma'am,
of
the
a square.
square's perimeter can be 12 centimeter.
What will be the side of that square then?
Side of the square means the area.
No, side I'm talking, each side. Perimeter is given. The 4-sided total is given to you. एक square है, उसके चारों side का total 12 है. पर each side कितने की है? How you will find
Ma'am,
out?
3 centimeter.
Yes, 3 centimeter. Any doubt to any child till here?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 11 centimeter.
Yeah, the B answer is 11 centimeter. 44 divided by 4 will give you 11 centimeter. Can I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the B sum is left.
B sum is I have written here, na?
No, ma'am, which is in the textbook.
That we will do. That is depend on same. That is the reason I have to give you first some few extra sums and then come to the textbook exercise. Now come on the B sum of your textbook. Page, write the heading, page 148, question number B, practice time, so that you will not get confused.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I also got the answer.
Here the perimeter is given.
I
The
also got.
fencing of this garden is 20 meter in length. So fencing total is
5 meter.
20 meter. Perimeter equal to 20.
Ma'am, 5 centimeters.
How long is one side of the garden?
Ma'am, 5
Yes.
centimeters. 5 centimeters.
Side is
Ma'am,
not
it
given.
is 5 meter, not 50 meter.
So perimeter equal to
Yes.
4s and the perimeter equal to 20. 4s and see, I am doing with the complete formula. So can I erase the board from down?
Yes.
Yes.
At the place of perimeter, I will write what is given to me. At this, I will write like this. So side equals to 20 divided by 4. So the answer will be
5 meter.
5 meter.
Meter.
5 meter
Yes,
होगा.
ma'am.
Meter में given है. Okay, okay.
Yes.
5 meter. Clear everyone? So tick that A and B is done. Now come on the next thing where the missing length and the breadth of the rectangle is not given and you have to find out. Please mute yourself.
What is the length?
Now I'm giving you the next question. First I'm giving you the practice question, then I will move to the textbook question. Till here, any doubt to any child? First topic we have done how to find number of tiles. Second we have done finding the side of the square when the perimeter is given. Now we will learn length or breadth will be missing. You have to find that. Clear?
Yes.
Can I raise the board?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am, mine left.
Please do fast. Can I erase now?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
There, be little fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which question number is this now, students?
C.
Write the heading
Fifth.
extra question. Question number 5th. Find the length and find the length or breadth. एक मिसिंग होगी लेंथ और ब्रेथ में से. Find the length or breadth of the rectangle
Ma'am, this is practice question.
हाँ.
Okay.
Find the length or the breadth of a rectangle. जो भी missing है वो आपको find करनी है. Write the sum. A length equals to 5 centimeter and the area equals to 50 centimeter, 50 square centimeter. So first of all, length is given, area is given. So which formula you will apply here? Perimeter formula or area formula? Because area is given to you. Which formula will come here? Please speak, students.
Area.
Yes. Area given है तो area formula will come.
Ma'am, L into B.
Area of a rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into
Length into breadth.
When the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, So at the place of the word area of the rectangle, you will write 50. Length is given 5. Breadth is not given to you, but you put the multiplication right and sign, write the breadth.
The breadth
Right.
is 10.
Breadth is 10.
That
Which is
is
good.
10.
So we write 5b. 5 when multiplied by b means 5 when multiplied by breadth will be 5b equals to 50. So breadth equals to 50 divided by 5. Means area will always divide whatever is given to you. अगर लेंथ है तो लेंथ से डिवाइड कर दो तो ब्रेथ आ जाएगी, और ब्रेथ गिवन है तो ब्रेथ से डिवाइड कर दो तो लेंथ आ जाएगी. Am I clear? एरिया इज गिवन टू यू और लेंथ और ब्रेथ में से एक भी चीज गिवन है उसको डिवाइड कर दो, यू विल गेट दैट वैल्यू. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? ब्रेथ विल बी 10 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Please write.
so
Yes.
if we multiply area, no, if we divide
Area is
area by length,
by
then
whichever
we
the
get
length
the
or the breadth, then you will get the missing. यहाँ लेंथ गिवन है तो लेंथ से डिवाइड कर दो, ब्रेथ आ जाएगी. अगर ब्रेथ गिवन है तो ब्रेथ से डिवाइड कर दो, लेंथ आ जाएगी. एनी डाउट टू एनी चाइल्ड टिल हियर?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Write the next sum. Now breadth is 12 centimeter and the area is 180. Lot of voices coming, Ayush.
Ma'am, what is written there after length is equal to 5 centimeter, comma, A is equal to
50 square centimeter.
550 because
Ma'am, answer of B is. Ma'am, answer
ma'am,
of
the
B is
length will be
12
15
centimeters.
centimeters.
What is the answer?
12 centimeters. Ma'am, 15 centimeters.
Ma'am, 15 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am, 15 centimeters.
So let's check. The answer is what you have to do, area divided by breadth. So what is the answer?
15 centimeters.
15
15
centimeters.
centimeter. Yes. So area equals to length into breadth, and area is 180. Length is not given, breadth is given, which is 12. So 180 divided by 12, you will get the length, which is 15, right?
15.
Please complete this. Clear everyone how to find the missing length or the breadth? Clear everyone how to find the missing side when the perimeter is given to you?
Yes.
Any
ma'am, we
doubt
have
to any
divide.
child? Any doubt to any child till here? Now come on.
no, ma'am, but I'm still writing.
Right. Now we will come on the textbook exercise. Question number C. A thin wire 20 centimeter long is formed into a rectangle. If the breadth is 4 centimeter, what is
And the length
Ma'am,
is
answer will
6.
be 5 centimeters.
Ma'am,
The
it will be
length
6
is
centimeters.
length will be
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. How?
Ma'am,
Because
5 centimeters. Ma'am, 5 centimeters.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
6 कैसे आएगा?
Ma'am, it will be 6 only.
There is 4 centimeter.
Let me see. Wait a minute.
I made
Ma'am,
6
can you
centimeter.
take your hand? I cannot see the question.
Now,
No, ma'am, but it is okay. A is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 180 is equal to length multiplied by.
what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 5 centimeters. 20
centimeters.
divided by 4.
I'm 6 centimeter. 6
centimeter. Yes. How you are going to find
Ma'am,
out?
what is the answer of the
Ma'am,
practice
20
question?
divided by 4.
Because it's not the area given, it's a perimeter given, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Rectangle का perimeter given है. What is the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle?
Length plus breadth, length plus breadth.
2 length plus breadth.
Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if
So how you
we,
are going to do?
ma'am, if we
Ma'am, I
add,
had done like 4 plus
Can I
4,
erase the board?
8 minus 20 is equal to 12. Divide into 2, 6. The answer
Let
will
me
be
do.
6.
Rudra, let me write.
ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Trisha. I'm writing here on the board because it's a
we
perimeter given. It's a perimeter given which is 20, and width long is formed into a rectangle. If the width of the rectangle is given, means breadth is given to you, which is 4 centimeter, and the perimeter equals to 2 length plus breadth. So 20 equals to 2, length is not given, plus breadth is given, which is 4. So what you will do is,
Ma'am, if we
20
add
equals
length and
to, we multiply 2 into L is 2L, 2 into 4 is 8,
Ma'am, 8.
right? Now we take the 2L separately. 20 minus 8. When 20 will come this side, it will be minus 8. And now L will be 12 divided by 2.
2,
So the L will be 6
6.
centimeter.
ma'am, if we add length and breadth, it should be
Hmm.
half of the perimeter given.
Yes. Two times length, 2 times breadth. This is clear to you all? How we have done? Any doubt to any child?
No.
Completed everyone? Okay. Thank you, students. If any doubt, please ask in the next class.
Ma'am, my last little writing is left.
Okay, no problem. You continue.
12.